Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today video's topic is how to make money on Shopify. So let's check out simple ways is make money for Shopify. Number one to is start an e-commerce store. So first of all, you start a e-commerce store. If you are wondering how to make money on Shopify, starting in an e-commerce store can be your answer. The platform makes it easy for everyone to set up an online store without hassle. Okay, so Shopify is ideal for e-commerce than most similar platforms because it's simple to add items, curate them, and let your customers easily check out makeover. Next step is build a Shopify drop shipping business. Okay, so drop shipping business is quite popular these days. E-commerce and many Shopify merchants make a lot of money through it. The best part of it is that there won't be any pressure on your inventory. Dropshipping is a business model that allows business owners to outsource the products to sell and sell them on your website. And it has the three step: customers place an order from your store, and second step is use Shopify store sends the order information automatically to your dropshipping supplier. Number three step, your dropshipping supplier handles the order, including the packaging, including the packaging, labeling if necessary. So the next step is become Shopify affiliate a marketer. Okay, so making money on Shopify doesn't always mean that you need to sell anything in some cases. Okay, so Shopify affiliate program and become an affiliate. So this program involves content creators, educators, or influencers and individuals who want to inspire audience and make them start their Shopify. So number four is start your own clothing line or accessory brand. So making some money with Shopify is easier these days thanks to apps like Friendful and Friendfully. And the processes is of designing, manufacturing, and Shopify shipping printed clothes is more streamlined and simpler than ever. So next one is develop a niche and product and market it well. Okay, so most people ask, can you make money on Shopify, as a separate question, but let me tell you, it's not just about the platform you sell your products on. Of course, it's come with advantage, but you need to know your niche and how to market your product nevertheless. So you can develop a unique niche product that targets a specific audience. This will ensure that you know who your customer are and you how to address them. So today that's it. I want share with you five steps you